Aero Asset presents Sikorsky S-76C+, serial number 760514. Over 875 S-76 aircraft have been delivered since 1977. Today, the S-76 is flown in many different mission segments, including VIP transportation. This S-76C+, serial number 760514, has the highest level of interior completion offered by Sikorsky. Its 6-passenger deluxe VIP interior features a fully integrated cocoon with 3 passenger forward and aft-facing sofas. 2 captain chairs with a central credenza is also available as a substitute for the aft-facing sofa. The flight deck is single-pilot IFR certified with 4 ED800 EFIS displays. Other options include emergency floats, sat phone, EGPWS, and many more. This S-76C+ is hangared at Rhode Island T.F. Green International Airport. Sikorsky S-76C+, serial number 760514. Presented by Aero Asset.